Hey guys, it's Young Porky here. Today I'm gonna show you how to get unlimited Robux or any other gift card for free. So let's begin. Believe me, it's not fake and the most legit method. First of all, open Play Store and download an app named Points Prizes and open it and write your email to sign up. You can see a list of apps and the points you'll be getting after downloading and using it for a few minutes. And over here are the prizes as gift cards you can get in exchange for the points you earn. For example, this $25 Google Play gift card for Clash Royale costs 3,750 points. And in this section you can see the amount of points you've earned. Okay guys, that's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like or subscribe.